What's up, YouTube? I've been out here working on the day or so, getting it right. I'm gonna tune y'all in on what's done happened so far. We done got the new door on there, in which, as you see now, and be able to body work, fill that in, get that to meet the door and look good. No bondage when it closed. We got the new master cylinder in there, and we picking up brake pressure. There go the old one right there. I'm gonna have to bleed them brakes in order to get it right. But now the next thing we about to tackle is this door right here. I'm gonna slap on, I think it's the one back there in the back. That's the new one. And we're gonna get rid of this shitty door. So I'm gonna set y'all up out right here while I get started. You're gonna have like three of those, three little pound pieces in both doors, in the fender. What is this? Trying to think of the name of it. Yeah, easy to do that will be remove your tires up there, but you see, I got this one off. Alright, so let me grab my little pry bar. With these Honda doors here, look like it's got a little clip in there. How the hell am I gonna film this? And yeah, try filming and Got the camera. As soon as I popped it out, got one of the clips out. And then the other one is up top. Oh! Got both of them. As you can see. Now I ain't gotta do nothing but pop out 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing it on around open. And hit the pin out. And then the door should come off. I'm gonna set y'all up while I do that.
Grab my hammer, hit the pin up from the bottom on the inside. Hold on to the pin, don't lose it. I don't know what happens if you lose it. I know that door ain't gonna sit right there. There's one screw. This is the part where you want to brace your door. Not like I'm doing, letting this shit fall. Let's figure this out real quick. I don't want to close it.
Now, you can see. Come. Got the whole door. Alright, now gonna be the time I want to transfer the body panel over to the new door and the new door to the old door spot. I'm gonna cut y'all back on once I get the body panels to it. Dang, y'all, I got too far ahead. I wasn't supposed to get that far. Alright, I got the door on. We ain't buying it or nothing when we hit the fender. I do got a gap though, but as I said, this car hit a guardrail, so it's gonna be, I'm gonna have to get a whole nother fender in order to really trace it perfect. But got my body line here. Now I can start getting this in order to blend into that and come back into one. And we talking about some business. Yeah, definitely overdue for a cleanup now. But we got it in there. New doors on the whip. Looking a lot, man. Look, go back and look at that first video and then come look at that now. That looked 10 times better. That side and this side. We got the brake booster in there, so we got some brakes in this bitch now. Like, little deal so coming along, man. It's coming along. Y'all be sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment. Hit the notification bell. Next video coming soon. Gonna get the wheels on here eventually when I get these studs broke. But man, this thing is definitely coming along. Subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell. And y'all stay tuned.